Hello students, welcome to lecture 6 of factorization. In the previous lecture, we had learned how to find factors of an algebraic expression. That is, we have just started, okay? Now today we will learn how to find factors of two or more monomials. See, when two or more monomials are there, from that we will get a common factor. And from this common factor, we can also find the greatest or highest common factor. Correct? Now, we'll start with one example. Suppose 5xy, okay, and 2xyz are given. Then we need to find the common factor. See, from these two terms, we can definitely see what is common between these two terms, xy and xy over here, right? Also x is also common and y is also common. So first what will I do is, we can say 5xy is nothing but 5 into x into y, correct? And then factors of it, we can separate it as 5x and y also. We can write this together, then we can write this 2 also, and then we can write this 2 also. Same way, if I take 2xyz, then 2 into x into y into z. Now see, then factors I can write as 2 separately, x, y and z also separately I can write. I can write 2x together, 2y together, 2z together. Okay, I can also write xy together as a factor. I can also write yz also and xz also. Okay, then I can write 2 along with these variables. See, I can write 2xy also, then I can write 2yz also. I can also write 2xz, and at last these three, they are x, y, z. But instead of doing all these things, we can directly say that the highest common factor is nothing but xy. Okay, the common factors are x and x. Y is also there, y is also there, and xy. These are the common factors. We can say that common factors are nothing but x, y, z. Sorry, not z. X, y and xy. From that, highest common factor I can say xy, because these are two constants together. So value of it is definitely going to be more. Suppose in example number 2, I take AB square and A square B. Now, first we will say AB square is nothing but A into B into B. See, from here we can say that 1A from here, 1A from here, and 1B from here. But for that you need common powers, that is A raised to 1, B raised to 1. So instead of all these things, the easiest way is AB square, we can write this, and we can also write its factors as A, B and B. Similarly, sorry, A square B we can write as A into B. The factors are A and B. Okay. Now I can say that common factor is nothing but AB. What is a common factor? 1A from here, 1A from here, 1B from here, 1B from here, and AB together also I can say. So the common factors are A, B and also AB. So HCF will be nothing but AB. Why? Because here I can write AB also as a factor. Here also I can write AB as a factor. So this is also common. And because we can multiply A and B, so it as such from here only you can take out the least power. A square means 2A and 1A. So we can take 1A out, 1A will stay. Here B square, so 2B. And here only 1B. So 1B we can take out. So AB is this is the HCF. That is the highest common factor, and common factors are this. Correct? Now the next example we will take is 4x square y cube and 6xy raised to 4. See, 4x square y cube. I can write it as 2 into 2 into x into x into y into y into y. Okay, and 6xy raised to 4 I can write it as 3 into 2 into x into y 4 times. Now, what is common between both of them? That is 1, 2. Or instead of writing all the factors and everything, we will do it directly. 1, 2, then 1x and 3y from here, 3y from here. This is nothing but the highest common factor. So HCF will be 2x and y raised to 3. This is the easiest way. Instead of going on and on, this is the easiest way. Now example number 4 if I take, let me take 12x square, 6x cube and 2x raised to 5. See, 12, 6 and 2. All the three numbers are there in table of 2. Now what is the least power in x? 2. So we can say that 2x square is the highest common factor. See, I can write it like this also in the prime factor form, or I can write it like this also. See, 6, 2 into 6 into x into x. Correct? Now 6x cube. I will write 2 into 3 into x into x into x. Then I will write 2x raised to 5. That is 2 into x into x into x into x into x. What is common? 2, 2 and 2. And which are the least power is what? Square. Only 2x, okay, which is common in every term. So here 2x, here x square. So we will get HCFS as 2x square of the given terms. All these are the common factors. See, all will be the common factors, but this is the 2x square is the highest common factor. One more example. That is, if I take 6ABC and 9BC square D. Now again here, I can say 6 and 9 are in the table of 3. So 3 is common. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Orally I can do. 3 is common. A is here but A is not here. So it is not common. B is here, B is here. So B. C and C square are there but the least power we have to take. So C and D is not there. I can say this is the highest common factor of 6ABC and 9BC square D. Okay, 6ABC, I can write it as 3 into 2 into A into B into C. 9B square, BC square D, I can write as 3 into 3 into B into C into C into D. What is common? Both in both terms 3 is common, then b is common, and then c is common. That is what we have done orally. Okay, now next example. If I say 20a square b cube and 32a cube b square. Now 20 and 32 both we can get in table of 2, but you need to factorize it till in the prime factor form. But easiest way I can say this both is present in 4 also, table of 4 also. Why? If I will take 2, then also I am going to get 4, correct? Now 4, both the digits are there in table of 4. Then a square and a cube, take the least number out, so a square is common. B cube and b square, take the least power, means b square. So we can directly write it as 4a square b square. Let us do 20a square b cube. Let me take 2 into 10, 2 times a, 3 times b, b cube means. Now 2 into 2 into 5 into a into a into b into b into b. See, this what I have done orally. This is the HCF, but let us solve it. Now 32 a cube b square. When will 32 come? 2 16s are, and 2 16s are is nothing but 2 8s are, like 8 2s are, then a to the power 3, so 3 times a and 2 times b. Again we will split 2, 8 into 2 cube, but over here we have got only 2, so I think here 2 are there, so no need to split again. So this and this 2, that is 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, that means 4 is common. To a square, here also a square, so a square is common. B square, here also b square, so b square is common. This is what we have done orally, but right like this also you can do. So I will write HCF is nothing but 4a square b square. Okay, now I will send you some practice sums based on this lecture, and you can do it. So thank you very much. I will end my day over here. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.